Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a run through. There's a new kit that I've done, well, same kit, the butterfly study kit, and I've just put it down to I've messed around with it, and it's now, there's also a travel note insert size. So I have actually made up two travel notes out of it. One kit, two journals. So if I run through the kit first, 17 pages in total. Same images, or there's one extra, excuse me, one extra actually, but all sized at 8.5 that way, 8.25 that way if you print it with, for the UK people anyway, if you can print borderless. So folded up makes 4.25 by 8.25. So that's number one. Now this is the new one, the new image that's in this. Really like that image. So it's like, yep, that can go in. So that's 2, 3, 4. Oh, blimey, fingers aren't working today. 6, I think. I've lost count. And the last one. So those are normal size. These are just printed off on normal papers for me to go straight into my book. Now I've got 3 watermarked pages. Now these ones I've done the edges so that I'll show you in my inserts I've made, so that they can fit anywhere. They don't necessarily have to go in the centre. They can go on any page. So almost like a digital stamp. So that's the first one. That's the second one. Sorry about the light, I'm sort of chasing the sunshine around this morning. And number 3. Now these are backing pages. They can be backing pages. This one, I've actually taken the image from one of the pages in the kit and put it on the backing page. Now this one, I've used it in the centres of mine, but thinking about it, if you were to fold it up, you could use it on the outsides, like that, half on each page. And that's a lined version and a plain version. Now I've also done 3 covers, what I would use as a cover. So they're actually 9 inches across by 8.25. So folded 4.5 by 8.25. So for me, that just gives me a little bit of play, 1/8 of an inch either side to act as the cover. So I did that one, that one. I just picked out my 3 favourites actually on that one. And then ephemera. So we have page of tags, a page. Everything's sort of been shrunk a bit to fit in the inserts. So there are 3 little ATC cards, 4 little note cards, which will fit in these 2 smaller size envelopes. So if we go to the inserts I've made, I was a bit, does that look too Christmassy? Nah, we'll go with that. It matches the colours. So number 1. So I've used one of the images, the cover size, that one. I actually printed it out again and just fussy cut the 2 butterflies on the front. Quite like that effect actually. Now, try that again. And then we have the word beautiful and a bit of sari silk underneath. And I've stitched around it, as you can see. I think there are just under 50 pages, plus all the other sort of bits. Oh, I've forgotten to put a tag in there. There are, so that's lace, lace pockets. This is one of the envelopes from the kit. A little note card inside. So this is my version. It's I've not put any pockets in. I've clipped everything on. This is a Ephemera's Vintage Garden. This is Wings for Jonathan, this kit that I've shrunk down there. Journaling space, dictionary page, note card in the ATC. That's lined on the back. Little card. Oh, come on. I couldn't make a journal and not put a bit of lace in there, or an insert. There had to be lace somewhere. That's a piece of vellum that I've just printed with one of the watermark pages. I quite like that. That's one of the pages, inserts, poem, music paper, Edith Holden, of course, tags, lines page, and that's the centre. Now I've actually printed this off on ivory paper, so there will be difference in colour obviously if you print on white. Obviously it's knotted and I've just put a bow in the middle. The backs of the pages, so that's the lined backing page of the poem. This is a card that I had hanging around. And so that's the page that I printed on the vellum. And the second little envelope. And I've forgotten to put one in there. And then the final one. So this one is, just suddenly occurred to me I should have zoomed in a bit, sorry. So this is the second insert. I've done the same again. I've used one of the, I can find the centre, one of the cover size pages from the kits, and then printed again and fussy cut. And there's only two on there simply because the ribbon wouldn't fit across. Same again, sari silk and the word beautiful. Lace pockets, envelope with the card in. Now I've only printed off the one kit and made a couple of the little inserts. Music paper, key to German prose. ATCs. That's a play. Edith Holden. Tags, lined page, very much the same sort of setup as the other journal, printed on the vellum. More countryside, and the centre, same again. It's the lined backing page again. Oh, I love that honeysuckle. I tried and failed dismally to grow honeysuckle in our garden. And that's another card that I had in my stash. The other envelope with the card inside. And another lace pocket on the back. And again, stitching around it. The kit is in the shop. these two books. Can I actually get them both in sunlight? No. I will be listing on Etsy. Bear with me. It's been a bit manic today. So I will get these sorted, and thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.